Second one is alternate angles to angles 3 and 7. So we have to calculate which one is the alternative angle to 3. So here 3 is one angle. So which one is the alternative here? Alternative means opposite. So angle 5. So now which one is the alternative angle for 7? So 7 is the outer angle. So which one is the outer opposite angle here? 1. So here alternate angle to angle 7 is angle 1. So now next example is third one, corresponding angles to angles 6 and 8. So we know that the concept of corresponding. So see here, angle 6 is here. So which one is exactly below here? So that is angle 4. So here corresponding angle to angle 6 is angle 4. Now next one is angle 8. Corresponding angle to angle 8 is angle 2. So this is the answer of question number 3. So now next one is fourth one. Pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So we know that here interior angles, we know that here 3, 4, 5, 8. Correct? So now we have to find pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. That means we have to find co-interior angles. So what is the meaning of co-interior? That is we have to find the angles on the same side. So here 3, 8 and 4, 5. So that means your answer is pair of interior angles is angle 3 and angle 8, angle 4 and angle 5. Interior means these 4 angles, and we have to calculate on the same side of this transversal. So n is a transversal, same side here 3, 8, 4, 5. So this is the answer of question number 4th one. Next point is parallel lines. So see here definition, parallel lines. Two lines are said to be parallel if they do not intersect each other even when they are produced indefinitely in either direction. So see here, this is the symbol for two vertical lines is the symbol for parallel lines. Now we can written this parallel line. Suppose A is a any line and B is a any line, but they are parallel, so you can written as here A parallel to B. So we can read, suppose in this diagram A is one line and B is another line, but they are parallel. So you can read as A is parallel to B. So this one is the first example. In the second example, you can say that AB is parallel to CD. In third example, you can say that PQ is parallel to RS. Parallel means if they do not intersect each other. So see here in these three diagrams, these two lines does not intersect at any point. So such a type of example is called parallel lines. In real life, you can see that two rails of a railway track are the examples of the parallel lines. Correct? So this is the real life example. So now let's learn properties of parallel lines with transversal. So here first property is, if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then the angles of each pair of corresponding angles are equal. So see here one diagram. So in this diagram, the meaning of this sentence is angle A is equal to angle phi, because in this condition, in this property, if the two parallel lines are intersected by transversal. So see here these two lines are parallel and intersected by transversal T. Okay, then the corresponding angles are equal. We know that here corresponding angle is 1, 5, 2, 6. Correct? So next one is angle 4, 8. This one is also corresponding angle 4. Angle 4 and angle 8 both are equal. Angle 2 and angle 6 both are equal. Angle 3, angle 7 here both are equal. And this is the concept of First one, that is, if the two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then the angles of each pair of corresponding angles are equal. If the given two lines are parallel, then we can say that the corresponding angles are equal. So now next property, if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then the angles of each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. So see here diagram. So in this diagram, line L and line M are parallel. T is the transversal. So now second property is alternate interior angles are equal. So first we know that the meaning of alternate interior angles. So here 3 is interior angle, alternate interior angle to angle phi. 4 is interior angle, but this 4 is alternate interior angle to the angle 6. So we can say that here angle 4 and angle 6 both are equal. Angle 3 and angle 5 both are equal. Now next property is property number 3. If two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then the sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. So now in this diagram, L and M are parallel as well as T is the transversal, correct? Now see here, sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So interior angles here 3, 4, 5, 6, but we have to consider on same side. So here angle 3 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5. So addition of these two angles are 180 degree. So here angle 4 and plus angle 5, which is equal to 180 degree. Angle 3 and angle 6, that is addition of angle 3 and 6, that is angle 3 plus angle 6, which is equal to 180 degree. So this is the property number 3. Now let's solve exercise 10.3. Question number A. Tick mark the correct answer. Question number A is, a line which intersects two or more given lines at different points is called. So this option number A is coincident line. Option number B, concurrent line. Option number C, transversal. Option number D, none of this. So we know that this one is the definition of transversal, because transversal means a line which intersects two or more given lines at different points is called transversal. So here option number C, transversal. So now next example is example number 2. If two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then a pair of alternative angles are option number A, equal. Option number B, unequal. Option number C, complementary. Option number D, supplementary. So here answer is option number A, equal. We know that just the property of, which are the properties of parallel lines, correct? So this is the property of parallel lines. So that's why here answer is option number A, equal. Here question number 3 is, if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then a pair of corresponding angles are option number A, complementary. Option number B, supplementary. Option number C, equal. Option number D, none of this. So this one is the property of parallel lines, that is a property number 1. So your answer is option number C, equal. So now next example is question number 4. If two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, then a pair of consecutive interior angles are equal, supplementary. Option number C, unequal. Option number D, complementary. So this is the property of parallel lines, property number 3. So here property number 3 is, if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then the sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree, correct? But what is the meaning of 180 degree? That is called supplementary. So that's why here answer Option number B, supplementary.